Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about accepting user inputs and casting variables to different types. Casting is the process of trying to convert one data type to another. Step 1. Create a new file called useinput.py and type entered name is equal to input. What is your name in line 1 exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 2. Type print hello plus entered name in line 2. Since the input function returned a string, we can just pass it in the print function without any casting, as print only accepts strings. Step 3. Type enter age is equal to input how old are you plus entered name plus question mark in line 3. If we want to do something with the age variable, we must cast it to an int, as input only returns strings. Step 4. Type print you have plus string 100 minus int entered age plus years until your 100th birthday into line 4 exactly as it appears on the screen. Notice how the entered age is first cast to an integer using int, then subtracted from 100, then cast back to a string using str. Step 5. Run the file for practice and try casting a user input to a float data type. Also, can you think of what to do if the user does not provide a number for his age? The code is available in a link in the description. Congratulations, you've learned about user inputs and casting variables between different types. Save and push your work to GitHub and try to code a little every day, because code is life.